traditions and ideas a euro, and somehow, it's still standing. Still breathing. Still absolutely alive. By the end of this video, you're gonna want to book a flight tonight. Let's go. The Bosphorus a euro, where two worlds meet. Right here a euro. This stretch of water a euro, is the Bosphorus Strait. And it's not just beautiful. It's the actual line between Europe and Asia. Stand on one side, and you're in the east. Take a 20-minute ferry ride, and you're in the west. Nowhere else on earth can you do that. Fishermen cast their lines off the bridges at sunrise. Cargo ships the size of city blocks glide past ancient palaces. And every single evening, when the sun drops behind the minarets, the whole sky turns gold a euro. Like the city is putting on a show just for you. This is where Istanbul's soul lives. Right here, on the water. Hagia Sophia a euro, 1,500 years of history in one room. Building intensity. Now step inside something that will genuinely give you chills a euro, the Hagia Sophia. Built in the year 537 a euro. That's not a typo a euro. This building has been a Christian cathedral, an imperial mosque, a museum, and today, once again, an active mosque. 4 different identities, 15 centuries, one roof. Look up. That dome you're seeing was the largest in the entire world for nearly 1,000 years. Engineers today still study how it was even built. And here's what gets me every time a euro. You can still see faded Christian mosaics of angels. Right next to Islamic calligraphy the size of a house. 2 faiths, sharing one sacred space. That's not a coincidence. That's Istanbul in a single frame. The Blue Mosque and Sultan Ahmet Square. Just across the square a euro, the Blue Mosque. 6 minarets reaching into the sky, and over 20,000 handmade blue Iznik tiles covering the inside, which is exactly where that nickname comes from. Time your visit for sunset prayer, when the call to prayer echoes out across the entire old city a euro. 5 different mosques, 5 different voices, overlapping into this haunting, beautiful sound that stops tourists in their tracks. It's not a performance, it's real life, happening the way it's happened for centuries. This whole square a euro, Hagia Sophia on one side, the Blue Mosque on the other a euro, might be the most powerful few hundred yards on the planet. The Grand Bazaar a euro, chaos, color, and centuries of trade. Welcome to the Grand Bazaar. 4,000 shops, 61 covered streets, built in 1455 a euro, and it is still, to this day, one of the largest and oldest covered markets on earth. Gold stacked in windows, towers of Turkish delight in every color you can imagine, hand-woven carpets that took months to make, and everywhere a euro, the sound of bargaining, because here, the price tag is just a suggestion. Some of the best travel memories aren't planned. They just happen a euro, right around the next corner. The flavors of Istanbul. You cannot understand Istanbul without tasting it. Street vendors grilling fresh simit a euro. Istanbul's answer to the bagel a euro, right there on the corner. The smoky char of an Adana kebab hitting the grill. And Turkish tea a euro, served in these small tulip-shaped glasses a euro. Offered to you constantly, because in this culture, hospitality isn't optional. It's identity. And then there's Turkish coffee a euro, thick, strong, and steeped in tradition so deep that UNESCO actually protects it as cultural heritage. Legend says your future can even be read in the grounds left behind in the cup. Food here isn't just fuel. It's connection. It's family. It's 5,000 years of culture in a single bite. Sunset over the city. And then, there's this moment. Climb up to Galata Tower, or a rooftop in Karaka paragraph mark Y, right as the sun starts to set. And watch the entire skyline light up a euro. Minarets, domes, rooftops, the water a euro, all glowing at once. In this single moment, you're looking at Byzantium. You're looking at Constantinople. You're looking at Istanbul a euro. 3 names, 3 empires, 1 city that refused to disappear. People don't just visit Istanbul. They fall for it, hard, and once this city gets in you, it never really lets go. That's Istanbul a euro, a city standing on the edge of 2 continents, and somehow, at the center of the entire world. And this is exactly what we do here on Deepsee a euro. We take you to the places that actually change you. Real culture, real history, real emotion, not just another travel video.
So if this journey meant something to you, hit that subscribe button right now, and turn on notifications, because next time, we're going even deeper. Bye. I'm not just asking you to subscribe. I'm inviting you to come explore the world with us one incredible city at a time. This has been Deepsee. I'll see you on the next adventure.